haven't done anything for a while, but I've had the car registered now since about January, but the weather hasn't been all that kind for tripping around in it. We've had a lot of rain, but I'm kind of about 95% there with it now. I haven't done the convertible top, but that'll come along later. And there's a few little bits and pieces that I'd like to tidy up and fix up. Largely been trouble-free. Had a few fuel leaks here and there. I did put new Teflon type seals in the carbies, and I don't know whether they're much better than the cork ones or not, but still get a bit of a leak. I put new needles and seats and full gasket kit through it, so it should be right, but it's not 100%. But engine runs nicely, it revs out nicely, you get out to 5,000 really quickly and really easily, so I'm pretty happy with that part of it all. Made a few little errors with the paint, putting that wiper blade on. I slipped with the screwdriver, so I've got to fix that up. Screen looks all good. The interior, it's done to my liking. I didn't do the pleats the way they were done back in the day, but yeah, I'm quite happy with the way all that looks. Not too bad for an amateur. Carpet all looks nice. All nice in through there. Dashboard looks good. Had the speedo overhauled professionally at great expense, and that's all working nicely. The fuel gauge, oil and water are all good. So the trunk area, I made a new cover in carpet to go over the spare wheel, and a little mat in the bottom there. The spare wheel cover I had to do twice, so I made it over the old wheel, and it was a nice firm fit, and when I got the new tyres fitted, hey presto, it didn't fit, so we had to make a second one of those. That's all looking reasonably tidy in there for the old girl. All new bumpers, I think they were a Moss product. All new radial ply tyres, and dashboard. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I actually converted that from a left-hand drive dashboard. Anyone that's been following the videos would have seen how I did that. You wouldn't know the difference. And the bottom of that door there I'm not overly happy with. I see a lot of cars, pictures of them, they've got the same problem. It's one of those little things that I'll try and fix up a bit down the track if I can. But overall, I think it's reasonably good for a home-built job. Master cylinder, that was all new. I used silicone brake fluid. A friend of mine told me that it's better for cars that sit quite a while. To flash a can, I burnt 2 of those out for some unknown reason, so I just got a more modern one, and that seems to be working a lot better. So oil cooler down in there, XMGB, and mesh grill. I didn't have a decent set of slats, so I put the mesh in it. I quite like it. Some people don't, but it looks quite good. The paint is an acrylic lacquer done in the garage there. It's not too bad. far as paint goes. The bodywork, of course, is the thing that determines how good the paint's going to be. But I've seen worse and I've seen better. And it's not a $10,000 paint job by any stretch of the imagination. But there it is, all 90% done, 95 probably. I'll do a top at some stage of the game. I've got the frame in there, sandblasted. So yeah, that's kind of going to be the end of the videos on this car pretty much. I've started a 1928 Model A Ford Roadster, and I'm going to do a sort of a semi-hot rod thing out of that, and I'll start doing a few videos on that for people that are interested in that sort of thing. But there you go. It was probably 4.5, 5 year project. Started from a very low base, but I think the job is reasonable. Okay then, thanks everyone for all your interest over the years on this one, and I'll look forward to putting a few things on the A model Roadster. Got a couple of bits and pieces there, some doors there, rear mudguards, fuel tank cowl, some running boards there. So that's underway. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all later.